Welcome everybody, thank you for joining me. Today we are going to be making a very unique slime. Probably one that you've never made before because guess what? It's made out of marshmallows. Let's gather some materials and get started. The materials we're going to use are powdered sugar, food coloring, marshmallow fluff, and a mixing bowl. Start by placing the marshmallow fluff into the mixing bowl. Add the food coloring into the fluff, then mix it around. Pour a cup of powdered sugar onto the clean surface and spoon marshmallow fluff on top. Continue to knead the powdered sugar into the mixture until you achieve your desired consistency. There you go, some marshmallow slime.